Hello everyone, welcome. I'm jdflutes. I'm back, folks. I know I haven't done a video in a while. It's because during the hurricane that we had, I was picking up a lot of heavy. I was trying to prepare for the hurricane, and I was picking up a lot of my heavy equipment. I had got hurt. I had pulled my thigh muscle right here, and excruciating pain. I couldn't even hardly walk. I couldn't hardly put any pressure on it. That's why, and also I had hurt my lower back, and I was in a lot of pain, folks. But I'm still doing exercise, and I've been doing a lot of exercising with my legs, my back, trying to heal. I'm still sweating a little bit, but I'm able to work. Thank the Lord, and I'm doing what I love. And this flute here is a customer's flute, of course, but also I want to say first that those of you who've ordered flutes from me, I'm getting them out as fast as I can right now. I'm working night and day trying to get caught back up, so just bear with me, and I promise you I'll get them to you. But this one here is a customer's flute. It's actually my special series, bass E flat. Some people call them low E flat, but bass and low E flat, tuned to 432 hertz. Folks, I'm gonna tell you now. I've been making flutes since 2010, and I recently just started making these drone flutes. I've made some in the past, but not really. But I'll be honest, this one here, I finally got them down pat to where I want them. This one here is, I know, without a doubt, the best bass E flat flute, drone flute that I've made. I've done a lot of different stuff to it, and I redid a lot of stuff to make them sound beautiful, folks. The quality on this flute is simply amazing. Inside and out, the voice is just amazing. And like I've mentioned in my other videos, I wanted to do something different with my drones. I don't like to really do what other flute makers do. A lot of the other flute makers, which they're beautiful flutes, now don't get me wrong, I just like to do my stuff different. A lot of flute makers, they split it on the side here. It be a complete solid piece, and they split it on the side and into halves, and then they glue them back together. I don't do mine like that. These are solid flutes. They have not been split. I'm still boring mine out with the gun drill. And as you can see, the difference is, they're different. It's different than anyone else's out there. And folks, when you hear this flute's voice, you're going to be simply amazed. Now I'm going to offer this flute here, even though this is a customer's flute, I'm going to offer this flute on my website. You can get this flute without I'm going to give you the options to choose without the stones, and or with the stones. I'm going to give you the option to choose different fetishes or totems, if you want to call them totems. I'm going to give you that option on my website, and also I'm going to have this flute on sale, because I want everyone out there in the world to hear the voices of this flute. And also my other drone flutes that I'm making right now. I'm making a bunch of drone flutes, and their voices are just spectacular. You don't have to key yourself playing them. You can, even on your high notes, you don't have to really key yourself playing them. You can play them with low breath, and they're still going to be loud. That's going to be amazing. Amazing. But like I said, I'm gonna offer this on my website, and I'm going to give you many different options. So I'll leave the link below to where you can purchase this flute right away, and I'm going to have it on sale for you. I'm not going to kill you with these flutes. But this one here, it has been produced with black walnut wood. This customer here wanted many turquoise stones on it. And these are the exact spots that he wanted them. But like I said, I'm going to give you those options now on the website. You can get it with no stones. Or you can get it with stones. This one here is a 1 1/8 of an inch bore. Like I said, it's a gun drill bore. You know, it hasn't been split. These are one-piece flutes. The mouthpiece, I have it very manageable. As you can see, they're close together. For each hole, for each flute. Look at there, isn't that beautiful craftsmanship? Look on the bottom of it. Beautiful piece of wood, folks. Beautiful. On the bottom, you're going to see, right here is where I put my name and stuff. JD Flutes, Special Series EB, which stands for flat. 432 Hertz. Beautiful, beautiful, folks. Beautiful. It's right on the bottom. And it's been wrapped with very soft black deer leather. And I'm going to go ahead and play it for you. I can't wait for you to hear it. I'm gonna play it back here a little bit, and then I'm going to go up there and I'm going to play it closely where you can hear it coming out of this here through the camera. And I'm not going to add any reverb. I'm not going to enhance its voice whatsoever. This will be this flute's natural voice. So you know when you add it reverb to it, it's going to be simply amazing. So check it out and let me know. Now it's cold in here. It really got cold last night, so it's cold in here, but this flute's still going to sound wonderful. Bass E flat or low E flat tuned to 432 Hertz. And 432 Hertz is for depression and anxiety. Do that again, I messed up, folks. I'll move up closely for you folks. No reverb now. Wow, folks. Wow. What did you think, folks? Please leave your comments below and let me know what my new way of making these flutes are. You know, how they're sounding to you. I feel like it's amazing, and it's just wonderful, folks. Wonderful. Like I said, it's cold in this room right now. Really cold. But you saw the quality. Even in cold weather, it sounded wonderful. And like I said, I'm going to have this one available on the website. I'm going to give you many options. I'm going to give you options to choose for genuine turquoise stones, real stones, or, you know, no stones. And I'm going to give you the option to choose between different fetishes. You can choose between a hummingbird, a hawk, a wolf, an eagle, and I don't know, I might put a buffalo on there, I don't know. But I know for a fact I'm going to give you some options. And it's going to be on sale. So leave me some comments and let me know what you thought about this new design. and how I'm making them now, because I feel like I feel like you're going to love them. I want the world to experience what I'm feeling when I play them. And folks, just reach out to me. I'll leave the link below this video to where you can purchase it right away. And I'll leave my business phone. You know, you can call me if you want to. If you have any questions. And I appreciate it, folks. And I forgot to say, my little girl now, she's the biggest critic of them all. Now, she'll tell me quickly, Daddy, I don't like that. You know, I don't like that sound. But last night, when I played it for the baby, you know, I still call her my baby, Alexis Davis, she said, Daddy, that sounds good. So if she likes it, I know you all's going to like it, because she'll let me know when something's wrong. And so I'm going to let her know that I mentioned her in this video. Maybe she'll watch it. But thank you so much, folks. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you.